Hey everyone, welcome back to the Email Blaster channel, your go-to spot for tips, tools and strategies to grow your business with smart email marketing. Today we're going to break down the top 5 marketing methods for small businesses, and I'll show you why email marketing stands out as the most effective and budget-friendly of them all. So let's dive right in. Social media marketing. First up, social media. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook and TikTok can help small businesses connect with audiences, build brand awareness and even sell directly through ads. But here's the challenge. Organic reach keeps dropping and ads can get expensive fast, especially when you're competing with those big players out there. Search engine optimization, so SEO. Optimizing your website so it ranks higher on Google. When done right, SEO brings in free, long-term traffic from people already searching for your product and service. The catch? It takes time. SEO is more of a marathon than a sprint, and results can take months before you get any momentum at all. Pay-per-click advertising. The third, PPC, pay-per-click advertising. This is where you pay each time someone clicks on your ad. It's fast and scalable, but costs can skyrocket if you're not careful. For small businesses on a tight budget, PPC can be a risky game unless you've got a rock-solid strategy. Content marketing. Like blogs, videos or podcasts, this builds trust and authority positioning your business as the go-to expert in your niche. It's great for long-term growth, but just like SEO, it takes consistency and patience before you see any results at all. And let's look at email marketing. Why is it so powerful? Let's break it down. It is the most cost-effective channel. You're not paying per click like ads. You're marketing to people who have already said, yes, I want to hear from you. For every £1 spent on email marketing, businesses see an average return of around £40. So that's a really strong return on investment compared to other methods. And you fully own your email list. So unlike social media where platforms can change the rules overnight, whether it's newsletters, promotions or automated follow-up, email lets you build personal, long-lasting relationships with your customers. And that's at a fraction of the price of ads. So while social media, SEO, PPC and content marketing all have their place, email marketing remains the cheapest, most effective and most reliable way for small businesses to grow. If you want to start building your email marketing list and boosting your ROI, make sure you check out the tools we've got on offer here at Email Blaster. Don't forget to like, subscribe and ring that notification bell for more small business tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.